Can everybody see the screen okay? Is there anyone who cannot? Okay, here we are with session 3, sub-elements 5 and 6 for the technician test. Does anybody have any questions from what we've done previously? Okay, and I hope you were all going to the online tests and starting to take those. And we had a testing session Wednesday night in Hilo, and there was an interesting correlation. The people who came to class regularly and studied online passed, and the ones who didn't come to class regularly and didn't study online failed. So there's, I guess there's a message there for all of us. Okay, let's go ahead here. Okay, T5A is electrical principles, current and voltage, conductors and insulators, alternating and direct current. Electrical current is measured in which of the following units? It's measured in amperes. Now, electrical current is actually the number of electrons, and it's a huge number of electrons per second flowing through a circuit or flowing through a piece of wire. We measure that in amperes. But you can think of it as current, just like a flow of water through a hose or the current of a river. Electrical power is measured in which of the following units? It is measured in watts. Those are the same watts that you have if you're looking at a 60-watt light bulb or a 1,500-watt microwave. It's the amount of power that is being either developed or consumed in a circuit. What's the name for the flow of electrons in an electric circuit? Is called current. What's the name for a current that flows in only one direction? It's called direct current. Down the way. What's the electrical term for the electromotive force that causes electron flow? The term, it takes a force to make the electrons flow. That's called electromotive force, and it's also called voltage, and we measure it in volts. How much voltage does a mobile transceiver usually require? A mobile transceiver that's intended for installation in a vehicle requires about 12 volts, which is the nominal electrical system of most vehicles. Which of the following is a good electrical conductor? Copper is a good electrical conductor. Silver is the best. Copper is second. Gold and aluminum and some of the others are on down there. Most metals conduct to some degree, but which of the following is a good electrical insulator? An insulator blocks the flow of electrons, and of the answers that you're offered, glass is the best insulator. What's the name for a current that reverses direction on a regular basis? It's called alternating current, and in this, the electrons first flow one direction, then flow the other direction. They change back and forth on a regular basis. And that's the opposite one from direct current, of course, which is they all flow the same direction all the time. Which electric energy is used? Watts. And the basic unit of electromotive force is the volt. Remember, electromotive force equals voltage equals, and the unit's the volt. Any questions there? Okay.
Nope.